5 warning signs your body is overloaded with sugar. Most people miss them until it is too late. Watch closely so you do not. 1. Restless nights. Do you wake up in the middle of the night, especially around 3 in the morning? That is often a signal your blood sugar is messing with your nervous system. 2. Excess thirst and urination. If you are always reaching for water and running to the bathroom, it could mean your kidneys are trying to get rid of excess sugar. 3. Sugar craving. Can't stop thinking about sweets and carbs? When sugar is too high, your insulin cannot do its job, and your body screams for more fuel. 4. Itchy skin. Constant, unexplained itching. High blood sugar damages tiny blood vessels under your skin, leaving it irritated. 5. Body aches. Aches and pains with no clear reason. Sugar can quietly damage your nerves, leading to chronic discomfort. Share this video to someone who needs to see this.